Hello guys, are you looking for the best VPN to set up on your phone and mobile? Want to try Surfshark VPN? Then follow this video till the end and you will get all the information you need about. You can also ask why only Surfshark? Why not others? I will answer this question also at the end of the video and I'll share with you the Surfshark VPN coupon code with 83% off. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, let's talk about Surfshark VPN. Surfshark VPN is one of the best VPN providers in the market, which was started by Vytautas Kaziukonis in the year 2018. It is one of the safest VPN service providers because it is recognized by many security service provider companies and received many awards for the best cybersecurity provider. It is trustworthy because it ensures that the customer needs more security rather than special features. The setup process of Surfshark VPN is very simple. Just download the Surfshark VPN or search in your Play Store Surfshark VPN. Log in with your credentials or you can register yourself by simple steps. Now let's talk about the features of Surfshark VPN. Number of servers and countries 3200 plus in 95 countries. If we talk about the simultaneous devices, it can connect up to 100 devices simultaneously. The free trial version of Surfshark VPN is for 7 days for iOS, Android and other platforms. Talking about the no logs policy, it does not log anything you search using Surfshark VPN. Now comes the interesting part, that is price. So it is one of the cheapest VPN providers. Its monthly subscription plan is $2.49 per month for 2 years subscription. Talking about the platforms, it can operate on Android, iOS, Windows, Linux, macOS, Xbox. It unblocks streaming services like Hulu, Netflix, Prime, Disney+, BBC iPlayer. It has inbuilt kill switch. If we talk about the refund policy, if you do not like the VPN, you can cancel the plan within 30 days. OpenVPN, IKEv2 and WireGuard are the VPN protocols it uses. Now here is the coupon code for you guys to get 83% off on the Surfshark VPN. That is Shark Start. Now let's talk about the benefits of Surfshark. Some basic benefits of Surfshark VPN. Browse privately with encryption method so that no one can track or steal your data. Change your IP address to hide your location, avoid tracking. It blocks unwanted ads to protect against malware attack. It protects your data even if you are using a public Wi-Fi. And Surfshark Search will help you in preventing tracking or targeted ads. Get notified if your data has leaked anywhere, so it will help you in notifying whenever you change your password to prevent breaches. There are no travel restrictions because you can access your data even in internet restricted countries. Get access to blocked content anywhere in the world. By seeing these benefits, I hope you understand why Surfshark is also one of the best VPNs in the market and is loved by many. So now if you want to compare Surfshark VPN with ExpressVPN and NordVPN, then here is a table to compare. In this table I have compiled number of servers in the countries, simultaneous connections, free trial version, no logs policy, price, platform devices, unblocks streaming servers, support, kill switch, refund, speed, VPN protocols, offer coupons. That's it. So that's it for today my friends. If you like the video, then like the video, share the video with your friends.